This Thursday morning, a weak cold front could bring some light rain at first to the southwestern Cape, but that will be short-lived. As the cold front moves east, the rain will clear, and we're not forecasting it to spread to the south coast either. Instead, it's going to be a very windy afternoon with strong westerlies. Over the western and central interior, strong winds are likely as well, with a hot and breezy forecast for the northern parts of South Africa, but afternoon thunderstorms could bring some relief from the heat. The South African Weather Service issued a watch for a high fire danger today over the central and eastern interior, and this will be associated with the strong winds and high temperatures. Here's our rainfall forecast. Rain at first for the southwestern Cape. We're keeping the forecast for most of the western and northern Cape dry. Isolated thunderstorms over the eastern interior with a 60% chance of rain along the KZN coastline and adjacent interior, especially this evening. Daytime temperatures in the mid to upper 30s over the northern parts of South Africa, 37 degrees in Bombela, 34 in Pretoria and Polokwane, Mahikeng at 34 as well. It's also going to be a hot and windy afternoon in Bloemfontein with a high of 31 degrees. Much cooler conditions in the northern Cape than over the past couple of days, 28 in Uppington, 23 degrees in Springbok, and Cape Town warming to a high of 21 with 23s forecast for George, Port Elizabeth and East London. Let's take a look at the coastal forecast. Southerly to southwesterly winds along the west coast today, wind speeds up to 35 kilometers per hour in Alexander Bay. There's an open ocean swell of 2.5 meters, while high tide is expected just before 10 to 6 this evening. Very windy conditions, especially along the Overberg coastline today. Northwesterlies up to 25 kilometers per hour in Cape Town, with stronger winds in False Bay. There's an open ocean swell of 3.5 meters that increases to 4 meters along the south coast, mainly due to the strong winds in the open ocean. Average wind speeds of 50 kilometers per hour in Plettenberg Bay and Mossel Bay, while stronger winds are likely in the vicinity of Galgoa Bay, with an average wind speed of 60 kilometers per hour in Port Elizabeth. Strong southwesterlies in East London later on, and winds become fresh along the KZN coast as well. There's an open ocean swell of 1.5 meters and low tide expected just before 12 this afternoon.
News that moves. eNCA.com